Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty weekly update. Now before we start, there was no update on the trade setup which we explained in the trading room yesterday, and the reason about that, because I'm traveling here and there, thus there was no trading from my side yesterday as well. But we did trade it for 4 days. Let me give you the results for that. And also, if you guys are interested looking for the results, if no video is updated, you just come to this site. There is a tab you see trading room results on the trading room page itself on the website. You just click on there. Each week the results will be updated here. So if you don't find the video there, just come here and check out all the trade setup which we explain in the trading room. You will find all the links here. Now as you can see, the returns on this is actually lowest on the trailing account from the last 5 weeks where we have been started this thing. So if you click on there, you would find there was not many trade setup given on the days where we were trading. Couple of losses, couple of wins. I think this was the trade of the week. I think you can call it. It's 6% on the trailing account on a bank nifty buy, and other than that we just find this as usual. But still, what I'm trying to say, we did manage to make 17% this week on our trade setup to all the traders officially. Now keep in mind, these trade setup doesn't include the trades which I explained personally to a trader who asked me about some particular script. So the trades which are working there, trades which are not working there, we're not including that here. We're just including the trade setup which we explain from our side to all the traders. Now for the single target traders, it's a 17% up, and let me tell you guys, this is our specialty. So this is how our as usual week looks like. No Diwali week, just like the last week, but yeah, कुछ हफ्ते as usual रहेंगे, कुछ हफ्ते extraordinary perform करेंगे, और कुछ हफ्तों में draw down भी हो सकता है. But that's all part of the trading. Alright, the thing is, we're doing our best to trade the market. We are doing the best in order to support the traders who are looking for the support live in the market. So this was the results from the trading room. Now back to the Nifty chart. Now for this week, those who are planning to trade Nifty, you pay attention to this word. You just focus on this impulse and this impulse. Now when you're looking at this structure, this piece only, ये piece intraday में develop होगा, right? For this week, just understand this concept this way. You're having this impulse and you're having this correction. Anytime you break this structure for the downside and give you any consolidation for that, you will be trading the next impulse for the downside in relationship with that, making that as a complete corrective structure for this impulse. Now the question is, how should you trade it? It's very simple and it's very easy. We traded this leg down, we traded this leg up, and we told all the traders either put the trade on a break even if you bought it for swing, or you just book some profit, because this potential leg can also tag this high if the momentum is so strong in buying the market. All right, so if you are not in sell from the top here, then the chances are you should be in sell when they break this structure. If you are selling for the swing perspective before breaking the structure, I'm telling you, this will actually do this and come back and make one more high. Eventually you will be stopped out and then further downside, and you would say that, oh, why this thing happened to me all the time? The reason it's happening because you're trading emotionally. Understand the structure, understand the concept. Where are the best selling opportunity, where are the best buying opportunity? Based on that, if you make your decisions, your results should reflect this, maybe better than that. Depends on the trader's ability. We all are different. Some are better, some are best, some average, right? So I would be really paying attention on the Nifty impulse going up. I'll fib it for you guys if you want to see how we actually fib it. You fib lowest point to the highest point and you wait for this corrective structure to be played out, and you are actually looking for this 618 target if you are into fib ratio kind of thing. That will be the first buying zone for this market if we see any reaction, because we are not any powerful reaction to this level. But keep in mind, this zone to be activated, this market has to break this trend. Now in this trend, you see the trend should be like this sharp, but you see how the angle of this trend line is very steep, and that is why trading this a little bit difficult in intraday if you are trading for this impulse or this zone or this profit you're looking for, because By the time you'll come out of the structure, the move is already gone, you see. So what you do, if you can read this corrective structure on a lower time frame, that would be great. But based on this time frame, you expect this market to tag this trend line and give you any reaction like that. Once you get any reaction to that, you are actually expecting this market to tag this one more time for the highs. So where are we getting the best buying opportunity? We are getting the best buying opportunity for the swings perspective or 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame near 618, near this trend line. And one more is there, but that's not that great, because when you break, so let me not tell you that. If I tell you, and if any beginner is watching this video, they might try to trade it, and the market can play with that trade easily, so the results cannot be expected. So those are the two best buying opportunity for this market. For selling perspective, guys, selling perspective, you already know, when you break this structure or you make one more new high after completing this downside. So those are the places where I'm looking at for the selling perspective, the market. And one more thing I'm looking at, I'm really paying attention on this market in this zone. If this market comes maybe 15 days later, what I'm just telling you, I'm just showing you what am I looking at in this kind of a structure. So those are the levels I'm paying attention, and while the market reached those levels, I'll follow that using the method which I use for analyzing the market, that how the market is approaching to that level. And once I see any reaction, any price movement which support my analysis, bang, we are executing the trades. So that's my perspective, guys. That's my view on Nifty. Let me know what you guys are thinking for this week Nifty. I would love to read your comments down below. And before I close, let me show you one more thing, guys. In our trading room, we have started one more service for our traders, those who are not able to log in for full day. We now are posting in our group. So this is our group. This is our trading room members. This is the group where I send the meeting ID. This is the group where I have now started sharing my trading idea for the intraday perspective or the for swing perspective. Like we started this from this 26th of Jan, I guess we are doing it from, yeah, we are doing it from 26th, and you can see couple of updates there. We're expecting Coal India to come to this trend line. You can go figure out how does that played out. We're expecting this Reliance Capital to tag this. You can figure that out, how beautifully that played out. So these are the trade setup which also has been sent to all the traders, those who are not able to log in at that particular moment. These are the trade setup I sent live notification in our trading room for all the traders. So if you want to be a part of this great community, all details are available on the website. Our trading room is the only trading room in India which open full day, and the reason we are doing it, because we know what we are doing in the market, so we can stand to our words. If we say sell the Nifty, we know why we are selling the Nifty and why are we giving you that particular level. So with that said, done guys, I'll see you in the next update. Thank you so much. Bye bye.